Hey Peaches, what's up? So I'm not gonna lie to you to start off with. I was going to get dressed up cute, something Christmassy, something festive. It is so cold outside today. I was shocked when I went to the grocery store this morning, so I'm in my Jurassic Park hoodie and sweatpants. So I hope that that is festive enough. I wanted to do a quick and easy, still in the spirit of Christmas, makeup tutorial. I actually had a lot planned I wanted to do, but this whole year has snuck up on me and run away from me at the same time. So this is what I plan on wearing to some of my Christmas events. I'm pretty much just focusing on lashes, and I'm going to try red lip as well. I don't ever wear lip color, but I love it. I love lipstick and I love to play with fun colors. I just never do it. So I'm excited to see myself in a red lip today. I'm going to try to make this kind of a quicker one because, like I said, it's mostly just lashes and lips, but I am gonna do everything on camera for you guys. Let's get into it. So I haven't done anything yet, so I'm just gonna put some lotion on. Tried to grab some products to use like a few different things today, because I feel like in the last like 100 makeup tutorials, it's been the same look, the same products. And I don't do that on purpose. I just very much get in like a rut of what I use. Not in a bad way. I think a rut actually means something negative, and I don't mean it like that. I mean, I get in a routine. Lotioned up. Now I'm going to quickly prime my face. I'm going to keep the part where I do my eyebrows in this video, but I am going to speed through it because I just did kind of like not a tutorial all on my brows, but I did tell you guys what I use and how I fill them in a couple videos ago. I can't remember which one it was though. A super chill get ready with me. I did want you guys to at least be able to see me do it quickly again in case this is your first video. Hi, welcome. I also will leave all the products that I use linked below so that if you guys are interested in something that I use, you will know where to find it. Okay, brows are done. I'm going to try to zoom you guys in a little bit. Hopefully we stay in focus, but that's going to help you see things, I think, a little bit better. So next, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Maybelline Color Tattoo cream eyeshadow in creamy beige. This is pretty dark. I talked about this a couple videos ago as well, but I'm doing this because I'm going to do, I think, pretty much just like a transition color. And then I want a really nice smoky looking lash line. And as far as eyeshadow goes, I'm going to use my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette that I got for my birthday. And I think I'm going to use a combination of Love You a Latte and Oh My Gourd, which are these two up here. I'm going to start with I Love You a Latte, or Love You Latte, sorry. Eyes not in there. Just to make sure, yeah, I'll need something a little bit darker, but I like to always start with something a little bit lighter when I'm doing eyeshadow. I don't know why, but I feel like it kind of gives me like a buffer if I mess up. Really, I don't think it does that, but that's how I feel like it does. I've gotten really weird about tutorials because I feel like I put so much pressure on myself to talk to you guys the whole time, which obviously it's like a one-sided conversation while I'm filming, so I can't really do that, but like I can't carry a conversation for two people by just myself. So I'm trying just to focus on talking about makeup in this video, but I did want to say a couple other things, which is I'm going to go in with Oh My Gourd. This is my first married Christmas. I was not prepared for it. So me and Dustin got married in March, if you guys did not know, and before this, my family consists, like my family unit is my brother, my mom, my dad, and me. So pretty small, and as far as like cousins and other family members, pretty much the way we've always done Christmas is just like doing whatever whenever someone's available. So literally we'll like go to Chili's 2 weeks before Christmas, or you know, whatever. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying we never did like one full event with all of our family. Me and Dustin are so busy over this break. I really feel like we split up the time really well, because we didn't do anything where like someone wanted us to come on a certain day and we weren't able to, which is really convenient and nice. So tomorrow we're hosting my family, so that'll be my brother, my grandma, and my dad. And then Sunday we're going to our Christmas service at church, and then we're going to Dustin's grandparents' house. And then Monday we are going to Dustin's aunt's house for like a Christmas brunch, and then it's Christmas Day. So it's coming up so fast, but I'm so excited. So do I want to do something darker than this? I think I am going to take something a little darker. Okay, so I'm going to try this Morphe palette. This is the 35F, which is like the fall palette. And I'm just using this really dark brown color here at the bottom next to the black. And I'm just going to try, oh yeah, that's a little bit better, to kind of work on the outer V. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. This eye still needs something, but I don't know what it needs. And now I need to find some sort of color for my lid. I was not gonna do that, but it definitely needs it. I think I'm just gonna stay with the same Morphe palette, and I'm going to use, in the little shimmery line, I know you guys can't see because it's a little off focus, but the third one down. Now I'm going to try to just do a little bit of a smoky liner. I really need a smudger brush, which is such a random, like, why don't I have that? But I really do not have a smudge brush. You guys know the ones that like almost look like erasers. I want one, and I cannot remember to get one ever when I'm at the store. So we're just going to wing it. I set out 973 eyeliners to try to get the best product for this. This brush is from Sigma. It's the waterline liner. It's an E17 and it's super skinny, really good. So I'm gonna try that one. I think I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Eye Studio Blackest Black eyeliner. It's just in a little pot like this. I'm really not good at like a smoky lash line, but I want to figure out how to do that because I think that's so flattering and pretty. Okay, so that part is done. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. I'm still using the Ardell Baby Wispies. I just think these are the most flattering for my eye because I have kind of a smaller eye. And these are not overwhelming at all. Just gonna make sure that that'll look good once I get them situated. I think that'll look pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna put those on really quickly. I'm also kind of in need of a new lash glue, so if you guys have one that you super recommend, I don't know, I haven't been happy with the ones I've been using lately. Okay, that took way more concentration than I thought it was going to. Now I'm just going to quickly do my foundation. I'm still using the LA Girl Pro Matte. This has been a pretty constant in my last couple of videos, but I found out that if I apply this with a damp beauty blender, it kind of is like my dream foundation. So I put way too much on to begin with, but we're already in it, so... And I'm using a baby Real Techniques sponge because literally all my makeup brushes and sponges are dirty, so you know what I'll be doing later today. It looks a lot better like that. I still think it looks a little orangey on camera because, to be honest, everything looks a little orangey on my camera to me when I'm filming, but it looks so good. All right, so for under eye concealer, I'm going to try to use this Wet n Wild one, even though I really want to use my Joah one. This is the Photo Focus concealer, and I'm using this because I haven't used it in a really long time, and I really do love it. I just completely forgot about it. I like brightness under my eyes though, so it is possible I'll go in with Joah anyways, but I'm trying not to because I use that. I've used it in every video since I've gotten it, but it's just that good. I'm going to set that with my Coty Airspun, and then I'm going to do a little bit of quick contouring and blush and highlight. Okay, for the rest of my face, I'm going to get you guys zoomed back out just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to actually try to do a little bit different on my contour today. I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick, and I can't remember whose post this was that I saw where instead of like down here, she kind of had it more like up there, which of course her face shape is different than mine, whoever it was. So I'm sure this is gonna look like a train wreck, but we're gonna try that anyways. And then I'm gonna go ahead and be dramatic here. Okay, so I'm going to set my face using the only part of the sponge I haven't used yet with my Coty Airspun. I like to do this before I contour because I feel like if I don't go over with at least a little bit of powder, it's really dark really quick. So I put like a lot of powder underneath where I'm going to contour, but then I'll actually use my stippling brush, which, where did she go? There she is. Just get a little bit of powder and go over that part before I go in with my bronzer. And I just kind of knock off any other powder that is left over anywhere. And for the sake of being different today, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Con bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. And I'm using my Sigma F40. This is why I feel the need to be chatty, because otherwise I'm just dead quiet doing my makeup. I'm going to use a little bit of that bronzer underneath my eye as well. A highlighting palette that I had totally forgotten about recently is the BH Cosmetics one, the Blacklight and Spotlight. This is the Spotlight one. They're really, really good, and I don't know why. I just haven't been using them. I got stuck on my ColourPop one, but I'm going to use Ethereal, I think. I'll go in with that one. And I think I'll just do a little touch of blush. I'm going to use the Milani Romantic Rose blush. I'm just going to kind of like hardly touch my eyelashes. Yeah, I should have just, I think not. I don't know. That's okay. So now for lips, this is the scariest part. I, again, just like my eyeliner, have 500 lip liners out to see which is going to be the best. And I'm thinking for the red I'm going to do, it's like a really intense red. I think I will use, do I actually want to use this red? Hold on. I totally forgot about this other red that I love. They're both from NYX, but this one is in Alabama. I'm definitely going to use that, girl. So in that case, I think I'm going to use this red lip liner from Palladio, and it's in the color Bright Red, which is fitting. I've also been like priming my lips this whole time with my Neosporin overnight lip treatment, so hopefully they're nice and smooth. You guys know I like to blend with my finger a little bit to kind of make it look a little softer. Now for Alabama, I hope this looks okay on me. I never wear red lips, so weird. Okay, you guys, it is so crazy and weird to see myself in this much lip color, but I actually really like this look, so I hope that you guys liked it too. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below that I used if you want to check that out. If you have any other questions I did not answer, please ask them below. And if this is your first video of mine, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. And if this isn't your first video of mine that you've seen and you're already subscribed, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyways. I hope that you guys have an awesome Christmas. I wanted to have something up before Christmas Day for you guys, a tutorial like this, so I'm glad that this was something easy and hopefully relatively cheap. I used mostly drugstore products, so I think it's pretty recreatable. I hope that you guys also enjoyed my really janky background. I'll get this figured out one day. If you have any other requests for me, leave them down below also, and I will see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas. Bye.